AI doesn't imagine, it assembles. And today we are going to see that happen step by step. Getting straight to the point and picking up from where we left off in the previous video, today we are going to generate our very first image using ComfyUI. If you haven't watched the previous video, don't worry, this video will still make sense. But I do recommend watching it if you are installing Comfy for the first time. Alright, let's get started. Comfy needs a model to generate images. The model is the brain. Without it, Comfy can't create anything. So first we will download our checkpoint. I will walk you through it step by step. Models can be downloaded from a couple of trusted websites. Hugging Face is widely used and very powerful, but for beginners it can feel a little overwhelming. So in this video we will use Civitai. It's simpler to navigate and easier to understand when you are just starting out. At the top of the page you will see a search bar. Just below it there's a drop-down. Make sure this drop-down is set to model. If it's not set to model, click it and select model. Now in the search bar type Juggernaut Excel. From the results, look for Juggernaut Excel by Can-Do AI. Click the thumbnail that says Juggernaut Excel by Can-Do AI. This will open the model page. On this page, you will see example images and model details. What we care about is the download section. Here you will see a download icon. The file type is checkpoint. The base model is SDXL 1.0. This is the file we need. Click the download icon to start the download. The file is large, around 6 to 7 gigabytes, so the download may take a few minutes. Just let it complete fully. Once the download is complete, don't open the file. We just need to move it to the correct folder. Go to your downloads folder. You should see the file you just downloaded. It will end with .ceftensors. Now open your ComfyUI folder. Inside ComfyUI, open the models folder. Inside models, open checkpoints. This folder is very important. Every checkpoint model you want to use in Comfy goes here. Drag the downloaded CeftTensor file and drop it into the checkpoints folder. The copy may take a few seconds. That's completely normal. You don't need to unzip anything. You don't need to rename the file. Just place it here. Now let's go back to Comfy. If Comfy was already open, refresh the model list or restart Comfy once. This allows Comfy to detect the new model. In the checkpoint loader node, click the dropdown. You should now see Juggernaut Excel in the list. If you see it, everything is set correctly. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Double check the folder path and restart Comfy. Now that the model is ready, we need a workflow. A workflow is just a set of connected nodes that tells Comfy what to do. To keep things simple, we will use a starter workflow. I've already shared this workflow file in the video description. Open File Explorer and locate the workflow file. Drag and drop the workflow file directly into the Comfy window. Once you drop it, all the nodes load automatically. In the checkpoint loader node, click the dropdown. Select Juggernaut Excel. This tells Comfy which model to use. Next, let's enter a prompt. In the positive prompt box, I have already copied the prompt to save time. Now, go to the negative prompt box. Here we will tell the model what we want to avoid. I have already copied the negative prompt as well. We will keep the default settings for now. There is no need to change anything as a beginner. Now click Q prompt. ComfyUI is now generating the image. This may take a few seconds. And there it is. This is your first image generated using Comfy. If you see this image, everything is working correctly. The image is also saved automatically. Let me show you where. Go to your ComfyUI folder. Inside ComfyUI, open the output folder. This is where ComfyUI saves all generated images. Every time you generate an image, you will find it here. Let's do one more example. We won't change any settings. we will only change the words. This time, let's try an action image. In the positive prompt box, I have already copied the prompt to save time. Now for the negative prompt, I have already copied that as well. Now click Q prompt again. Notice we didn't change anything else. While this is generating, let me show you something important. The window running in the background is the command prompt. This is ComfyUI doing the actual work. You don't need to type anything here. As long as there are no red errors, everything is working fine. And here's the second image. Same model, same workflow, only the prompt changed. In the next videos, I will explain what these nodes actually do. We will take it one step at a time. For now, I want to know from you, what would you like to learn next in ComfyUI? Improving images by upscaling or doing face swaps? Let me know in the comments.